Welcome to Mountain View Trail. Here we are featuring a working farm with a luxury twist. We are super excited to be bringing this to you. Not only do we have one luxurious home, but we have two luxurious homes on this property. This main home here is 3 levels and it features an indoor pool. How awesome is that? The second home has a lot of great features, including an open floor plan and a turfed backyard for your dogs. All this sits on 68 acres with multiple barns, a covered arena with masonry and river sand, and an outdoor arena that has the felt under there so that you can get out and work those horses even on not so great days. And you've got a lookout tower, you have a mechanic's barn, you have multiple barns, and you have a dog kennel. So there's multiple things going on with this house, and we are super excited to be showing you guys this property today.